In a surprising turn of events, a set of leaked photos showcasing what appears to be the new DJI drones has recently caught our attention. Yes, we probably are getting the first glimpse at the most popular mini drone from DJI. These images shared by Jesper Ellens on Twitter provide a glimpse of the Mini 4 Pro being tested out in real-world conditions. Such field test photos usually hint at an imminent release, typically within the next 6 to 8 months. Join us in this video as we delve into the implications of these leaked images and what they might reveal about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 4. So without further ado, let's dive in.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The leaked photo immediately draws our attention to the vertical feet attached to the front two arms of the drone. This particular feature is reminiscent of the DJI Mini 3 and stands out as a notable difference from the Mini 3 Pro, which does not possess such feet. This has led to the speculation that the drone is being tested in the photo might actually be the upcoming DJI Mini 4 rather than its more advanced counterpart, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It suggests that we could be getting a glimpse of the Mini 4 in action during its product test flight. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the leaked drone seems to boast a camera and gimbal system identical to that of the DJI Mini 3. The design choice enables the camera to be tilted upwards and rotated, enabling seamless portrait shooting. The drone also maintains the presence of front obstacle avoidance pods, ensuring enhanced safety during flights. Additionally, its overall aesthetics bear a resemblance to that of a frog, adding a distinctive visual appeal. Collectively, these shared attributes strongly suggest that the leaked drone inherits the advanced camera capabilities, versatile shooting options, and recognizable physical features of its predecessor, the DJI Mini 3. Also, the potential enhancements of the DJI Mini 4 includes the incorporation of a larger 1-inch sensor, resulting in improved performance in low-light conditions and overall image quality. This upgrade has the possibility to transform the Mini 4 into a favorable option for individuals engaged in professional aerial photography. What caught our attention even further is the two obstacle avoidance sensors located on the front corners of the drone. Positioned with pride, these sensors are designed to be wide-angled and slightly angled sideways, providing robust protection against unforeseen collisions. Additionally, it's intriguing to note that the rearward-facing obstacle avoidance sensors are strategically placed behind the forward ones, suggesting the possibility of a comprehensive near 360-degree obstacle avoidance capability. This arrangement hints at an advanced obstacle detection system that ensures the drone's safety from obstacles in various directions. Another noticeable alteration can be observed in the positioning of the navigation lights. In this case, the two front lights have been removed from the previous location and cleverly relocated to the rear legs of the drone. This adjustment in the placement of the lights indicates a redesign aimed at enhancing visibility and potentially improving aerodynamics. Let's talk about the price. With each iteration of the Mini series, there has been a steady rise in pricing, which can be attributed to the continuous advancements in technology and the addition of new features. Now, considering this trend, it's plausible to anticipate that the DJI Mini 4 might be offered at a price range of approximately $499 to $549, while the Mini 4 Pro could potentially fall within the ballpark of $649 to $699. In short, considering the DJI Mini 3 Pro was released over a year ago, the emergence of a potential successor naturally sparks a question of whether we are prepared for it. If indeed the DJI Mini 4 is on the horizon, what notable advancements could make it a worthy follow-up? Will it feature enhanced obstacle avoidance mechanisms or a significant leap in low-light photography and videography capabilities? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.